Right traders, what's going on? Happy Thursday. I got a very special gift for you all today. Not only do you get 50% off of Ascendx Capital if you use the code GFX50, if you purchase any Ascendx Capital funded challenge between today and this coming Sunday, you will also be granted free access to the GFX Trading Academy for the next 2 months. So you get 50% off your Ascendx Capital challenge. You'll also get to work with me every single day for the next 2 months and beyond that if you choose to, completely free, where I will help you get that funded challenge passed and get you to funded status where you can start receiving 90% payouts from Ascendx Capital. So don't hang about, this offer's ending on Sunday. Hit the link in the bio and let's get you funded.